Today I'm making a quick meal prep protein omelet. First we're going to add some oil spray to our pan and then add our 5 egg whites or the egg whites of your choice. A bunch of baby spinach. And we're going to go ahead and season that with some salt and pepper, and this is to personal taste. Now we just wanted to make sure that it cooks on one side before we flip it. And as you can see, I had a little bit of trouble flipping it, and it was a disaster, of course, because the camera was on, or else it would have came out perfect. But I tried to fix it. It didn't work out. It's still an omelet, okay? And once you have that nice and cooked, you're gonna put it in your Tupperware and try to make it look like an omelet. There you go. And now we're gonna top it with some shredded chicken breast that we pre-cooked. And last but not least, some green enchilada sauce or any sauce of your choice. And there you go. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipes. I upload Monday to Thursday. And as always, thanks for watching. Talk to you next video.